Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in.
Good afternoon. There we go. Now you can hear me. I was on mute for a moment, but I'm off mute now. We're off mute now. Still got my order sitting up there. What'd this thing do? First, Eric's in here. 660 target hit for the second time today. Volatility makes your job easy. More setups, more through. 31 search support, blah, blah, blah. Targets hit, 60, 73, 80 to 83. Back up to 73. Yeah, back up to 46 to 60 again. Another failed breakdown there from the morning low. Did Nasdaq run the morning low? I don't think it did. Bullish SMT here at the bottom. Obviously, it doesn't mean too much right now because we are still a ways. We're so far from the bottom. I guess is the problem. So we did have an SMT at the bottom. Yeah. So I don't know. We'll see if we get above 60. Still got that order sitting up there at the previous day close test that we haven't gotten yet. Yeah. So no gap fill yet. Looked like it wanted to go fill the gap, then it ripped back lower. Probably held on the hourly. Yeah, nice little retest of the open price on the hourly candle there. Four-hour level still sitting down there at 400. Yeah. Feels like we're moving back up, but it's kind of basically what it felt like earlier, and then we started the sell-off, so we'll see. I just got back to my PC, so I haven't taken any other trades other than what you guys already saw. So still down 128, up 182, and up 50 bucks on the others. So that's kind of where we're at. It's kind of in this range here, looking like a little consolidation going on. The consolidation. Yes, kind of holding the VWAP there. Holding the WAP of these for now. Or as some of you like to say, the VWAP. The VWAP. Oh, me. I'm tired. I need a nap, guys. I need a nap. Do we think we're going to push up into the close? What do you guys think? I don't really know. I don't really know. I mean, I would lean towards that way. I would lean that way. Opening some mail over here, you know? Not really. If we're going to be looking to get long here, I mean, I don't hate this area. Maybe get a pull back into the 600. We already kind of had that retest of the 600, though. Why are you sending me this crap? Nobody cares about this. Crazy, crazy. Get a little pullback here. Might look to jump in long here. Might. Last couple of power hours kind of married a position. We're like, we're low. I still think we fill the gap into the close, but maybe we don't. Anybody else get all this spam mail that you have to open? I mean, come on, get out of here. Get out of here with that junk. Hashtag exclamation point Pine in the chat. We'll give away an account from Pine. He doesn't know it yet. Sorry, I know that's probably loud, but you know, you gotta open this stuff up. A letter from the insurance company. What do they want? What in the world? So stupid. They're saying that they were recently informed that this person needed to be listed on my policy. Now, granted, this is a person that I have no idea who it is. I think it's who lived here last. I've lived here for like 3 years, by the way. Please give us a call so that they know that they're providing me with the right coverage. That person does not live here and does not need to be on my policy. So, you want me to waste my time to call you just to tell you that that person doesn't live with me? Come on. Come on. What up, YM? That's rude. I don't want to waste my time calling them. I don't want to waste my time calling these people. Mm-hmm. What up, Mystic? How you doing? Just waiting for a spot maybe to jump in. Nice reversal off the initial balance low down there earlier. Well, actually, that's a pivot point. It's not even low. Didn't quite make it to the initial balance. Probably. Oh, I'm actually. Let me look at the 5-minute chart here. There could be something interesting here on the 5-minute. We could get a 5-minute break of structure. This actually looks really good. So I'm going to mark this out. Could get a 5-minute break of structure. So maybe that's what I'll wait for. It's marking out the 5-minute potential long setup here. Need to close above like 660 to really get up there. We'll see. Going pretty good, Mystic. Going pretty good. Can I say anything to test my mic? Yeah, let me look. Testicles 1 2. Testicles 1 2. Anybody hear that? Does anybody hear my testicles? 1 2. Pretty sure the mic is working. I'm definitely not quiet, YM. Anybody hear me? Do you hear me? Anybody hear me? There we go. See, Mad Moxie hears them. See, Oracle heard me. He said testicles. Let me comment. I got to jump in there. Oh. I hear him talking about the testicles 1 2. We got to get in there. Got to jump in there. Oracle, are you still on your sabbatical? Or whatever it's called. Your break from trading. Are you still on it? And if so, how's it going? Since I'm sitting back over here, do I need to make myself bigger? Woo! Hello! Put myself like this right here in the corner. What do you guys think? That's a better look. Okay, guys. Hold on, I got to see which way I'm... This way. Right here, guys. Right here, guys. If we get past... Oh, you can't see. If we get past up here, I'm going to take the long. Made 5K today because it was easy money. Oh, okay. See, Oracle broke it. What up, Solo? He broke it. I'll make myself a little bigger. A little bit. Just a little bit. Still pulling back here. We got, what, 1, 2, 3, like 5 red 5-minute candles in a row. Scare off the younger viewers. You're not wrong. It looks kind of... It does look kind of wild, doesn't it? I could be like some people and make like a third of the screen just my head. Hello? Mystic, I'm using OBS, Streamlabs. OBS, brother. Let's see, where could this pull back to? 550s, possibly. I don't know. Do we pull back into the 550s? We'll see. We could. Take a little stab here. Pushing back up. Approaching that 21 EMA there. Ding, ding, ding. 20 bucks. 20 bucks. Couple more of those. We'll be back to green on this eval account. Kind of generating a little trend line liquidity to the upside. What up, Clarity? Winner, winner, shack and dinner. That's right, shack and dinner. Got a little trend line liquidity developing here. Just checking to see if we'd like any equal highs or anything. I don't see any. Of course, I am on the micros. Tom trading one micro. It is solo. Tom. It's Tom. One micro. Listen, we don't want to do anything too crazy. I'll tell you what. We'll step it up to 2 micros just for you. How about that? 2 micros just for you. Anybody else, we would not do it. But since it's you, 2 micros, man. All right, let's get some music going. Goat funded trader. What is that? How can you see the Methodical Man in 4K? I don't know. This doesn't let it go up to 4. It only goes up to... Can't remember what it goes up to here. It only goes up to 1080. So, because I am on the ultra low latency, so that you guys have the smallest delay possible, you can only do 1080. That's why. Well, you know. I'm not that close. I'm just, it's just put me there. I'm not that close. My computer's being a little glitchy today. Okay, let's move this over here. Perfect. All right, let's watch something. There's Max, just in time. My mouse is really like glitching today. I'll jump in here. Boom, let's go. Easy read there. Down $77. 1080 solo, that's it. 1080, that's all you get. My mouse is like freezing up. Is the battery The battery doesn't show that it's low. It freezes when I'm in a trade. I'm not going to like that. Oh, that was the 330 candle, huh? Probably continues higher here, too. I don't know. I like the look of this push up, to be honest. Husk, his internet was out. I don't think he paid the bill. He decided not to pay the bill. He said, you know what? My name's Husk, and I don't have to pay the bill if I don't want to. That's what he told me. And I said, yo, bro, I'm not arguing with you, okay? I'm not arguing with you. Uh-oh. Come on, mouse. I'm trying to move the stop. You got to be kidding me. Mouse is freezing. I want to break. I mean, does this mouse need, like, I don't know what's going on with it. I don't think so, Mad Moxie. I've only had this battery in here a couple of weeks, maybe. I had my batteries like right here. Where'd they go? They were like right here somewhere. Don't know where the batteries went. Are they in my drawer? I don't think so. They were like right here on this shelf. Give it a blanket. What up, Yak? Why don't buy bottoms? Why you don't buy bottoms? What do you mean, buy bottoms? You know where the bottom is, Yak? Kindly tell me where the bottom is. I moved my stuff around, so I don't know where the batteries went. They're around here somewhere. But not so worried about it. It'll be fine. Dun, 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 dun. After the red line. Where's the red line? The red line. This line? You talking about the 21 EMA? Oh, yellow? Oh, VWAP. Yeah, that's a better buy spot. I did actually buy there if you were watching. See, look, right there. Boom. Boom. And then ES kind of worked its way above the VWAP there. Closed back above it. I kind of liked the way it looked, so I took it. It's okay. We're in 2 micros. No worries here. 2 micros. Count them. 2. It's going pretty good. We're up like $50 across 20 funded accounts, and then up 182 on another one, and down $79 on this one, depending upon how this trade works itself out. We'll see. And if my battery and my mouse decides to croak, I don't know. We'll see. Kryptonite. you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. You're done trading? Nice. You end the day green? It's all that matters. Walk away with the green. I don't know where those batteries went. Oh, yeah, nothing wrong with that, Jock. I mean, I'm on an eval here, a couple of micros. Everybody trades different. Well, we're just in a couple of mics here. We'll see if we can't work our way out of it. May have to endure some pullbacks. Man, I'm huge now. All right, let me. I gotta make myself smaller. It's too big now that I set up. There we go. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. We'll look to add down here. Yes, kind of melting down a little bit here. Like right around 2 o'clock, we started this little reversal. Turn off and on the Bluetooth. That works for me when the mouse starts acting up. Yeah, I guess I could do that. It's okay for now.
Please come now, I think I'm falling, holding on the wall.
You gonna hold the VWAP or not? Creed is correct, Sir Doss. Maybe. I mean, this thing could pull back into the 50 level. 555s. We'll see. If it doesn't hold the 90 here, then I would expect potentially a pullback into that area. We'll see, though. Let's see what we get. Do I use Don't Chain? No, I don't. I do not use that. But if it works for you, I have no problem. I mean, it's fine, right? I like to use the I guess method. I think the 0-day J. I guess my way in and I guess my way out. Probably not quite to that extreme, but yeah. Got any payouts from Tradeify? No, Mo, I've never had a payout from Tradeify. I've had a few funded accounts, been close, and just never gotten one from them. But I like Tradeify. Don't let my failures dissuade you from trading Tradeify. Jacques, where are you from? Are you from like where would it be night at? I guess it could be like somewhere in Europe, probably. Hey, there we go, Europe, I guessed. Keeping it vague, that's all right. He's probably over there. Oh, just north of Tom. I was about to say he's probably over there near Tom. The Max Park method. I do Serdos sometimes. Do not repay evil for evil. I don't know what is that. One country north of Tom. Tom's in Hungary. I don't know what the actual. I just know he's in Hungary. Online security is no joke. I know, I don't. If you don't want to be found, you know. I think Tom just got long 1 micro. That's why we got that 15-point pump. He's moving the market with his micro. Central Europe. I am in the United States of America. In Georgia. 11 miles northeast of Athens. There you go. I got you pretty close. I got you close. An hour northeast of Atlanta. Yeah, we're long tech T. A lot of kind of trend line, generated liquidity above. That's why I'm long here. I think we test the 660 at least on a push up, 655 into close. We'll see. I could be wrong. I don't know. I'm an idiot after all, so keep that in mind. Poland. Nice. I didn't even know Poland was near Tom, to be honest. I'm not great with a globe. Mo, I don't know. I'm just going to take it day by day. I mean, today's dip has been bought pretty heavily, right? Every dip's kind of been bought so far, for the most part. Especially if we fill the gap today. We fill the gap back up into the 750. I don't think we do. We don't really have time. But if we did, then that would kind of be our sign. Just Goldbach. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. News wasn't bad. Everything is in line. Yeah, we'll see. See, the key to making money in this market is to get in now before you read it in the papers. The only problem you're going to have is that you didn't buy more. Sound fair enough? I know I skipped a few things, but, you know. We should have added. We should have added. Why didn't we add? Ah. Good old original schemers and scammers that just called you over the phone and sold you stuff, right? Remember those days where you pick up the phone and they're like, hey, we're selling, I don't know, some coffee cups with 2 birds on them. You want to buy them? Pack of 4 or $5. I'll send these out to you. You send me a check. That sort of thing. No, the blue line got me again. Hit the blue line and turned back down. Going out of business. Oh yeah. What was that movie? Oh, Zohan. Don't mess with the Zohan. You guys remember that movie? You ever seen that movie? The Adam Sandler movie, where his friend tries to get him a job. He tried to get him out of a job, and he goes, "Why would I want a job here? You're going out of business." It's like, no, we're not going out of business. It's good for business. I got to watch that scene now.
Fujigawa. I don't know that brand. It really
It's
is.
not really Fujigawa, it's Sony.
Fujigawa, Sony Graz.
Wouldn't it be better
Sony
with
Graz.
Sony?
No. This is what you want. 450.
But the ad says Sony and 300.
No. What you going to believe? Me or the ad? 450. Hello, going out of business. Can I help you? Sony, yes. 300. Come in, yes. Very good.
גש לפנחס, גש לפנחס.
Hi.
We won't watch it all. It's hilarious. It is funny though. The closing down sale. Yeah. Oh goodness, that's hilarious. Sony Graz. Well, it's not going the direction I want it to go. Oh, guys, we're at the murder bot here. I just noticed. 46 seconds away from the murder bot. We're at the murder bot, guys. The murder bot. If it pushes up, cool. If it doesn't push up, then we'll add on the pullback. Are they Iranian? I think they were like, I can't remember. Israelis and something else. I don't remember. I can't remember exactly what they were, to be honest. I don't remember. Add 2 there for a quick little scalpy. Yeah, it was something like that. I can't remember exactly. Jacques, have you never seen that movie? Don't Mess with the Zohan? You need to go watch that if you haven't watched it. It's hilarious. Hilarious. That I've been through. You get what you beget. Rip it. I think if we get kind of above 615 here, this thing's going to squeeze. Kind of got to get above these wicks here. That might be a safe takeoff of 1 there, but We're not going to. Squeeze it. That's what it is. Israeli versus Palestinian. Yeah, that's it. That's what it is. Go check it out. It's a funny movie. Very, very funny. Only God knows why. Rip it. 355 algo in 3 minutes. Little flag on the 5 minute, but it really is kind of in an idiot box, not really breaking one direction or the other. Yes, approaching the VWAP here. Going to need to pop it, get through that 60 level to really go. Sandler, he is Jewish, I guess, technically. Jewish. I think he plays the Israeli. I'm not sure, though. He's an assassin. All right, we got what do we got? A minute and 58 here until the 55. I would like it to be above 20 before we hit the 55 candle. That would kind of be ideal, I think. There we go. Getting a little squeeze now. I'm going to squeeze up into that 50 level into close. Yeah, outer. I don't know. We'll see. It's starting to, ES is starting to break out here. Get above that VWAP here and it'll start looking better. All right, this is going to be the line in the sand. ES is approaching that 60. Got to get above 60 and squeeze here. There we go. It's moving. ES at the 60. This will be a good spot to cover one of these. But I'm going to hold it a little longer. There we are, there we are, there we are. Now we will protect ourselves here. What? I say, hey. 355 algo in 2, 1, now. Not much. What's going on? Come on, don't stop me out. Probably going to get stopped here. Maybe not. Likes to do that to me sometimes. I just need $31 to be in profit for today or be break even. That's about where we're at right now. $30. So I could take it off here and just secure a break even day. I think if we get back up to 31, I'll lock in the 25 area. Put the stop loss down. No, I want to leave it at break even here because at the end of the day, you can get some wild swings. And I'm so close to break even. After digging a hole this morning on this account, $400 or something. I do think if we get back above 32, we can squeeze. That also could become a spot where we turn back down. So if we can get to 32, I'm going to lock in the 25. And if we get stopped, that's all right. We'll look for another spot to jump back in. Yeah, I'm just looking at about 50% of this wick, just eyeballing it. Someone walked in and I looked away and you took profits. Let's go. Yeah, that's right. Raul Louise, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. All right, here we go. 2.5 minutes, 2 minutes and 45 seconds left in the day here. Tell you what I will do. I'll put it below the body of this down close candle if we can close above the body. That's what we'll do. There we go. So I'm going to put it below the body of this candle here. 10 points behind price here with 2 minutes less than 2 minutes left in the day. I think that liquidity pool up there at 46 should probably get ran. Let's make sure that we don't run that on the actual NQ first. The actual NQ is probably a little closer to it. It's at 44.75, not 45. So let's go. Coming into the final minute here in 20 seconds. Squeeze it. Come on, Bulls. Squeeze it into that final minute. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Above the wick here, I will move it up to 25. I'll move it up there to 25. Watching the Nasdaq over here. Going to exit in a timely fashion. Boom! Let's go. Don't fade Methodical, man. Come on. He's an idiot, but sometimes he knows what he's doing. All right. Ended up $39 on that account that we were down on. Let's check out the Bewley Knox. We're up on the Bewley as well. 182. We're also down on that one at $500 at one point. And then our funded accounts, one micro trade earlier, $50. Nothing crazy. Just taking what the market's offering us. So we wouldn't have hit that wick. Oh, we would have. That was the wick I was looking for. Oh, fake breakout. Yeah, it could be outer. I don't know. I'm just looking where's the liquidity at, right? Where's the liquidity rest? And right now, I saw this right here. It's kind of what I was looking for. I mean, how many touches do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 good touches. Little trend line liquidity here. Like at the end of the day, it likes to run that. You also have some more above here. That's pretty nice. So you kind of have 2 different lines of liquidity here, but obviously we don't have enough. We just don't have enough power to push through this yet, but I would not be shocked to see this run into 697. Would not be shocked. How many accounts you can have connected to the Quant platform? As many as you want. So you can, that's the thing I like about Quant Tower. is I can have Apex, Bulenox, Day Traders, Elite Trader Funding, Futures Desk, Take Profit Trader. I mean, I can have DX Feed, Top Step, whatever I want, literally connected all at the same time. And I can copy across all those accounts at the same time if I want, right? Pull up your copy trader. You can add some more accounts in here. You know, we can go Bulenox, My Funded Futures, TPT, Futures Desk. You can copy across all of them if you want to. Easy peasy. So I do like Quantower. However, I don't do it that way. I'm using, I use Replicanto. So, and I execute on Ninja for these accounts. But you could. So, you could. Nutty said he's going to take it there. Yeah, I did see that, Sirdos. I mean, like, the thing about it is like, I don't know. I understand Quant Card was down for maintenance. But, like, man, that's crappy. That second time's happened to him. Second time that's happened to him where he couldn't or didn't lock himself out. One or the other. And then blew his accounts. So, you know, feel bad for him, but he'll recover. He'll be back. Hopefully he can get that Quant Guard properly functioning. And, you know, that'll help him kind of set that daily loss limit and walk away. So, one of the things that you're not seeing me do recently that I have done in the past is size up, right? You can see I was down $400. I didn't size up above 1 mini on that account, $500. I was down $400 over here. Did I size up? Nope. You saw me still just taking 1 to 5 micros and just trying to get it back that way. Now, I could have sized up, could be in a lot more profit, or the account could be blown, right? The nice thing here with kind of averaging into the trade, you know, I got long here. I added in here. I added in here. So, like, if I'm in a mini, I don't have that ability, right? I don't have the ability to do that. So, you know, it's one of those things. Yeah, getting older as a trader, right? Just trying to recognize what you do that's not great and make a change to it. Now, we did. I mean, like, look at these executions today. Why did we dig a hole this morning? Well, based on what I saw, when we kind of had this little double bottom with a higher low, the failure to make a low here should have been my sign that we were going higher. What did I do? Well, I just added in. I just kept averaging in with a micro each time, taking a little 5-point scalp, and then eventually just averaging out. Somewhere up here I got out, down $300 and something, and then we went and you know, kind of flipped our bias to long and started looking for longs and worked our way out of it. You can see no trades after the stream there at 11:30. We ended that and then still pushed up a bit, but never made it to the previous day close. This was a level that I had interest in shorting, 747. My guess is we probably get up there over when we open up. This is probably where we'll grind up into, feel that gap up there at 747. Appreciate you, Jock. Have a good day too. But yeah, if you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Guys, Apex is 80% off, and they went back to the $85 lifetime fee. Somebody asked me earlier and I forgot to answer. It does end on September the 4th. Or I'm sorry, September the 30th. So the last day of the month is when it ends. Let me find the... I'm going to show you guys this for My Funded Futures. If you are a new customer with My Funded Futures, again, they do have this really good deal going on right now. It's 50% off. If I can ever get this thing to move. 50% off any plan. Use code MM. $39 for the core account. That is with no activation fee, so that's an all-in amount there. And if you're a current customer, they didn't forget about you. You can get 25% off. Buy one, get one 25% off. That is 6% off the first account, 25% off the second. Comes out to be like a $65 average, 64 or something like that. Use code MM for that. What up, Alexi? And as you know, Take Profit Trader is still 40% off, no activation fee. Trade Days 30% off, no activation fee. Code MM for both of those. Bulanox is still 91% off, code MM. Tradeify is 30% off, code MM. Day Traders 90% off, code MM. Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one free, 50% off. Code MYTH, MYTH. And code MYTH for Apex. Futures Desk is 70% off, code MMM. Everything else is code MM. If you want to help support the channel, code MM. Still trying to find a reason to go with Apex over someone like, say, Prop Shop. You know, that's the thing, Alexi. To each his own. Prop Shop's still a little bit new. I do have a call scheduled with Prop Shop here soon. Probably Monday or Tuesday to kind of speak with them and see, like, you know, get a little more insight into them. You might see me trading some Prop Shop direct to funded accounts next week. We'll see. And kind of go from there. So trying to get a few things going here into the end of the week here. You guys may see a little different programming next week. Maybe a couple of things coming out that you're unaware of, but it'll be nice for the channel. Maybe extra giveaways for you guys. But I'm going to go ahead and call it there. If you guys haven't already, smash that like button for me. More giveaways, Alexi. More giveaways. What can you ask for? What more than that can you ask for there? Extra giveaways are always fun. But anyway, smash that like button on your way out. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Appreciate you watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect your